Indoda ayikali.
Sala sizo le conversation man ukuthi wonke umuntu unengane ngaphakathi kuyena. Ezama ukurana iadulthood yakhe. Mhlamba sichaza mhlamba siqale nje lapho yini lengane
yini sokubeke kabi kabi wathi is a 35-year-old.
What's it?
35-year-old man trapped in a 10-year-old boy.
I think I know who that is. Ufikile that last.
Ufikile. Actually the same thing usiswa abantu.
What nikhulumeke ngoba no 14-year-old stuck in a 40-year-old body.
Khulumela usisike mzwile.
The truth of the matter, by the way.
Umkhayana, it's not a literal child.
Okay.
Yes, it's a representation of your sum total of emotional, psychological residues, experiences that you suffered severely in your childhood. Then you grow up into adulthood. And then what do these residual experiences do? They totally sabotage, interfere, and belittle you in your own adulthood. Chasing after women, which comes from emotional avoidance and insecurity. Insecure. You are so insecure, brother, out there, you do not know that. It comes from a low self-esteem. Normally, the father was not there to strengthen the fabric of your masculinity. So what did you do? In trying to find the path to your own, the path to self, you started chasing after women. But there's a catch. You are a people pleaser because all young men who did not have father as the guidance star, they tend to be people pleasers.
So your behavior here too is marked by people pleasing. It's marked by chasing women, chasing money, maybe even.
No, that's a reward for emptiness. That's what you do when you're feeling void. Yeah.
At what age must you stop chasing women?
There's no need.
There's no need to stop.
There's no need to chase after women.
Oh.
Not necessarily, Kaya. You must settle with a woman that you think you love after you have had your experience.
I'm sorry.
Double dapper, but it's dangerous because uzo double dapper, but thinking uzo accumulate a lot of soul tie and sexual ties.
That's why.
Yeah.
There's
something that I've never shared with our listeners. This is how I understand.
Yeah. Yes.
Ngikula when my self-esteem was at its lowest. I used to enjoy
chaser now.
Yes, I was a chaser. I was a woman chaser. Yeah.
Welcome.
I used to enjoy my one night stand, but there was a problem. I would feel empty, guilty, and shameful the following morning.
It's true.
I one night standing where I felt confident, masculine.
What causes that?
It's because you are doing something that you don't want to do.
And it's against your own personal core values.
Not even values, Kaya, your own masculinity, manliness, I'm sorry.
Yes,
I'm a man as yeah. Because you would have compromised your Lord. Until sakula kahle ekhazi ama STI okwenze kubi kakhulu.
Ew.
So these men then chase these women. And up until they realize there's nothing to chase. So now this is what happens. By the time they settle into marriage, they can't connect with the right woman. Ungakhohlwa amadoda have got this uncanny thing. Bayeka umuntu wesifazane onjani, bayeka umuntu wesifazane onemali omkahle, bahambe bayodate broke women and take care of him.
Ngoba bafuna umcontrol.
Ngicela ukubuza. LGBTQIA+ yona sibe akuphi kule conversation ngoba
you see there's one thing. I've counseled and I'm directly involved with the LGBTQI+, there's a lot of cheating in that community.
So now it's their inner child now.
It's their inner child that is trapped within themselves. There's a lot of cheating within the Southern color community.
But badlula nathi.
I know, niyafana.
How?
Niyafana. Yeah.
Uya within indoda ekhali khona la kwiGagasi FM. Kuthiwa ekhali kodwa la iyakhala. Ake sihambe seyitolo uma sibuye siyaqhubeka and go further. Nayo ndaba emiyeza ngalolu daba.
Indoda ayikali.
Yazi bese ngithi nginenkinga bafowethu.
Yeah.
Wayilamula. Biyaza bekithi nginenkinga. Yabo uma usushayela into ka1 usuqedile.
Engathi ngabaleka.
Ngoba umuntu akagoduka.
Abantu besisaba u90 ngeke bazophika. Kodwa if you can ask a good guy honest ukuthi musuqedile oneqiniso musuqedile ayifike into akathi ungagoduka ekhaya mina ngangwenza ngangibaleka izulu I would literally say mfowethu ngicela ungifonele uthi nje sengena ama comrade ekhaya isikhathi sodlama umuntu afathi ndabe mfowethu lalela sengena ama comrade apha edladleni khona nama vena u2 ngisukuma
mina khona awutheke ngifonisa ishuthi goloza impahla yakuvaya athi mfethu awufuna uzenze itama uthi nje loshiso impephe ekhaya
Kaya bese bawashaya ama testimony abafowethu.
Inzimo benga.
Yabo kubane ukuthi akishaya phansi kumesethi awungadlishi. Kathi
ilokuza icase eCatholic is very complicated. Ucatholic omgulukude. Enkulunkulu wami Lord
buza ndaba yephethu.
Buza qha.
Lento iziphi lezinto sungahilishanga kuzona ezingane or during your development stage edala ukuthi sigcine si emotionally disconnected kanje.
Wekhaya soka sikhulume ngama child unmet needs ngoba sikazi lento bange neurosis. Child unmet needs, was the child breastfed well?
Okay.
Did she get the touch of both mom and dad? Did the child eat well? Was there constant validating? Was the child exposed to risk? Akungasho ukuthi taya dade akhulunyiswa like an adult so that language yakhe izorelezeka.
Sure.
In other words, most parents claim to parent but they're unable to meet the child's needs because now their own needs were not met. Yes. Bese kuba abandonment anxiety. Ebulala kamadoda isishaya isikhiphe kanjeni. You always fear that things are going to come to an end. You always fear that things are going to come to an end and they never come to an end.
Sure.
But disaster sukusuwenzile ngalena wenza ukuthi ungakwazi ukuconnecta nabantu abakuthandayo. You know that. Bese kuba loss of esteem. Yes, but uliskipha umoya.
Do you think people that have got pornographic addictions also this thing stems from there where they end up then leaning on pornography?
Yeah, they're leaning on pornography because they're seeking for connection. Yeah, like buying sex. It's all about last week. Yeah. They're seeking connection, but they tend to connect with the wrong people.
Sihila kanjani ke lento ndaba yephethu?
We can heal bafowethu. Healing the inner child involves going back to who you were as a child.
Okay.
Confront that. If it means there are people within the family structure that you have to talk to. But the best option is the therapy because with therapy you're going to talk who you are. Whereas a kaya, you might be forced not to ask certain questions. Ngizokwenza example. Uma kuloku kuthiwe ekhaya wena uma wakho akakutshela ukuthi uba ubaba wakho. Utshela auntie bakho what type of a man will come out of that?
Sure.
A broken man. So it's the family that breaks us and we end up being broken men. Kukhona into engicela ukuyikhuluma Sonic that hurts me a lot. Khona abantu futhi umubeka i-trauma athi umuntu noba indaba emna tend to disagree kuyadepend ukuthi wena what choices do you make in life. Ngicela ukubuza, can a traumatized brain make informed decisions or izokwenza ama-trauma informed decisions?
That's good.
Exactly. And abantu abakhuluma kanjalo bokubheka something banamba ngokudla, banamba ngenkolo, and banamba with multiple relationships. And may I know, is that a fair option of decision making? I don't think so. Some are broken kind of, let's be honest.
And why do we run away from getting the right help we need?
It's because we are undermined by our own ego. The ego comes between you. To right, whereas you're cuddling in your trauma deathbed. Yeah. And umuntu onje khaya umuntu otraumatized akalifuna usizo ngakwazi lokho. A traumatized man will never want help. A traumatized man will never want help. Ngana trauma carrier ayifuni lutho because he's so used to trauma that he has learned to acquaint himself. His identity is trauma.
So survive.
We survive and he will never be a thriver, he'll die a survivor.
So what then happens to umchita ongahilishanga ongadilanga nalama ongaconfrontanga lama issues esikhuluma ngawo mhlawumbe osaphila emangeni noma phile eqasheni behind uqanjela futhi namango. Sometimes you live behind these things kanti wena uyi victim kulento and you don't have a platform nje usushile indaba ukuzi addressa lezi zinto emndenini ngoba mhlawumbe usaba ukuphoxa noma usaba ukukhuzwa whatever the case might be. What kind of man do you end up being? Asihlambu uyashada uba nengane. What kind of person do you end up being if you have not dealt with these?
The majority are cheaters, alcoholics, promiscuous, opinionated, and alcoholic.
Womanizer.
And that's even worse. Yeah. They'll provide for a woman who is broken and who's broke, and leave a woman who can do things for them.
I was telling my cousin yesterday, I'm having to pop the builder.
Nam.
If I find him, I'm catching up pop the builder. Aibo.
Ngikhathele
Ukuhamba ngaphepha uyothenga ingane ngezone zakho. Ama-pyjama. Ama-gummy shoes. Ukhokhela u-145 umkhulu welokuza
welokuza school fees engananga yona nam.
Yeah. Yabo sengakho school fees engane ngezone zami. Khona ingane nama-degree ngenxa yami. Angifuni ukufihla lokho. I'm not trying to boast. I'm ukukhombisa how broken I was. Ngiyikhokhile i-school fees. Ngiwakhokhile ama-bus fare. Yakhumbula kusenoTupperware umuntu athi izinto zaTupperware. Yeah.
Sisabidi. Hayi asifaka nomlelelo eKaka CFM uthini ukuphawula kwakho ngalolu daba esikhuluma ngalo right here on Indoda Ayikhali.
Indoda Ayikhali.
We are within Indoda Ayikhali. Don't forget mlaleli, the door is open. Hit us up. Let us know thina ngalolu daba esikhuluma ngalo. Ngasifonela njengamanje ku 0861 596 596 noma uthumela iveni yakho via WhatsApp ku 063 839 9959. I think ngokuvuleka kwesifuba sonke sikavuma ukuthi si pop the build or sake sadlula lapho.
Yes.
But what's the best way probably to show uthando nokuba khona empilweni yomuntu outside of being that Bob the Builder?
You have to hit the inner child, Sonic. You can't do otherwise, my brother. You need to address past traumas and negative beliefs that you hold about what women are, who you are, and general these things, so that uzokwazi observe a sequence ukuthi zaqala kanjani. Enye into abantu besisa abane arrogance ne toxic masculinity. Learn to self-soothe and regulate your emotions through self-talk. Nokuhlala uthi ukukhuluma uthi umdletshe izishaphi mfowethu obukhuluma nawe. Miyaza iyaphi lempilo yakho. Wana manga kangaka wadlela ngabantu besifazane. Abo uyazi ukuthi if you do that, the subconscious is going to trigger something that you need to remember about your childhood.
Lento eshoyazi miyaza iqiniso ngisanda ukuqala nami kuyiphela ukwenza kanjani ngikhuza yabona lento yokuthi yazi lento yenza ke bethi izophelela. And I think it's one of the things that also almost like got from therapy as well. Ukuthi self regulator kubalekile. But one of the things mina I was struggling with even in those moments ukuthi nginezinto engithi mhlawumbe fanele ngidile nazo kodwa ngikhumbula. Mina I'm one of the people engisinga kunezinto in my childhood I've forgotten. Angizazi nanokuthi zenzeke noma zange zenzeke. I've taught my brain even mhlawumbe to even say hayi lento ngayiblock ngayitshela mhlawumbe out of defense mechanism.
Yeah, definitely.
Ngivale yabona. How do you help umuntu othi angikhumbuli nanokuthi mina ngine trauma yini ngiyabona lama behavioral patterns engikhuluma ngawo but anginayo into engayibeka isandla ngithi mina ngiyakhumbula kwenzeka into ukuthi ngesikhathi ngisayintwana.
Uma athi ulele nomuntu osifazana owedwa uphinde nowesibili nosithathu, does that not worry you? Uma uqamba manga kona ethi umusuphu driver wedwa umuntu othi ngizawasukela manga ngabuzwa ngomuntu, that should be a red flag, a green flag for a man. Yeah, those are little tidbits.
That means that there's things that you need to deal with, even if you have not identified them.
Even if you have not identified. Yazi kukhonto engiyibona, yazi mkhaya na mina, it took me a lot to stop flirting. Yo, it took me a lot.
Have you stopped?
Yeah, I have.
Ay, uzedeye Davigege. You'll never stop. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I stopped flirting first. Yeah, one thing about flirting komuntu on a highest level of self-awareness.
Yes.
We ask, look, you're not expecting anything. I would consider interest, you're just flirting for the sake. But you go wrong when you flirt. Because you flirt with umuntu or broken who's looking for something. So what you have done, they've raised false emotions. And what is going to happen? You're going to have false connection.
Mina ndabe nginaleyo nkinga mina ngishela ngaqondile ngiyingcomele nje uhleze kubona boss how
uthi usuqonyiwe
how kuthiwa manje ngixoxe utho and then
bengincoma
nje parakusenani asiza umlaleli uthini via WhatsApp khona la kwiGaga CFM because na voice note engeneni
nginibingelele basakazi umfoka Ndlovu la ngila kaMafunzi Pietermaritzburg embumbane No yazi ndabona lento phethe ukuthi indoda ikhali fela ngaphakathi mina ngibukile kumina ngizama ukujabulisa umuntu ngoba ngithi ngithandana naye ngenxa yokuthi yena unengane yabo lezo zinto zigcina zilimaza ngoba manje ezinye izinto ugcine sewubona ukuthi okay uma ngabe ngingakwenza ukuthi ecelile kuleyo ngane uthi awunayo imali ngempela imali onayo ukuthi mhlawumbe uphushele isipani yabo uhamba emsebenzini uma ungasakwenza uzobona ngazi ukuthi ingane yakhe awuyithanda yabo lokho ngizamile kodwa ngeke ngize ngakubeka kakhulu enhlizweni kodwa leyo nto leyo iyasicindezela thina abafowethu sabantu besilisa singeke sibalekeleke ukuthandana nabantu abanengane ngoba silazi kusasa ukuthi lizosiphathelana.
Ngiyavuma mkhaya. Ngiyavuma. Ilento yathi thina abantu besisa angithi we were raised in a cultural context where twindoda I come on. Yazi ngihlekiswe yini lana uSoneki. Yakhumbula at the beginning of the year, November last year, September in Men Must.
Yeah.
We said in the show, this thing is going to crumble even before it starts.
Yeah.
Iphele nya.
Indoda must.
Yeah, indoda must. Iphelile and abantu bakhona sebeyashame. Abasahlangene babe inhlaka. Abaqale organization without a structure.
Na enye VN.
DJ Sonic Khaya noBaba Ndabe. Ayi wafethu. Kanizwa uhlelo lenu liyasilapha. Kahle nje sifisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uBaba Ndabe avela athi nje a dedicate usuku le conference lamadoda noma abafana abakhulayo ngoba ayi kuningi ezidlule kukona umlondi lo kwantengezi.
Mlondi likhona eMaritzburg umhla 26 asidlule.
Hayi nomlondi akabeka indlebe eGagasi FM.
Definitely.
Iyeza nathi khona sikuphekayo nkosami esikudidilelayo. Na iVN yokugcina ake siza ukuthi uthini umlaleli. iVN yokugcina ake siza ukuthi uthini umlaleli.
Bingelele emsakazweni. Hayi topikeni thinta abafethu ujolile ke namhlanje ngiyayizwa. Nami ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngi-affected ngoba angaze ngamthanda umuntu wesifazane ngaba naleyo deep feeling kulo 27 years enginawo angaze ngamthanda umuntu wesifazane ngaba naleyo deep feeling nje strong ngiyaqonya but uthanda lokho ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe uthando mhlawumbe angilazi ngenxa ukuthi mhlawumbe abazali ngikhole bengasekho angazi but nje kunzima bafethu kunzima. Ngicela uba anonymous.
Ngiyayizwa into show.
Ngiyamuzwa nama anonymous.
Ukuthi uthi usephila u27 years kodwa akanalo uthando, akazizwa ukuthi mhlawumbe in love noma unothando disconnected.
And my next question is lusakhona enothando. Lusakhona to uthando.
Lukhona when you are suffering severe trauma explosion within the self, your emotional and nervous system dysregulated. It's so difficult to feel or experience love. Awukwazi ukuthi ulu-access abanye abantu and bafowethu ake siyeke lento okuba so simplistic sicabanga ukuthi self-love is something that you parachute yourself through and you come up. Akulula ukuzithanda when you can't even love yourself.
Akulula ukuthanda.
Akulula ukuzithanda when you can't love yourself. Angithi fanele uqale nge-awareness.
Yes.
Who are you? Why did you come on earth? Where is your life going? And up until those questions are asked, then uzohluleka ukuqala.
Sengwaphendulileke lawo ma questions. Ngingalithola uthando.
No.
Ngingalithenga.
Uma sekukhona izinto oyithandayo about you, ukhonto uzoyidiscover. Uzo-attracta abantu abanale zinto oyithandayo.
Hayi lethengwa manje.
Lithengwa ngenani eliphezulu.
Lethengwa manje uthando.
Lithenga ngenani.
Luqayeni bafana bami, luqayeni impela lithengeni
kodwa
sokubona.
Anginayo imali yokuganga.
Nama nginayo sengikhathele ke mina.
Khuleka nzima mina babamdabe.
Mina ngiright nesakwazi
ngingane ngizele
nginelisa usulitholile isalikazi.
Ngiright nogogo.
Mhlawumbe nabugoshada sekushada isalikazi.
Ngiright nogogo madla mina simnandi impela nje yabo sesibukane emehleni athi babudlile kodwa sendo sami gogo ngilight impela nje.
And futhi awusaflate.
Angisaflate.
Miyaza sikuthola kanjani?
07666 33954 angiphinde mlaleli weGagasi ngithi kwena 07666 33954.
Ayibo miyaza fanele kuba ushaya manje.
Siyabonga miyaza.
Asizame futhi next week.
Nami kanjani.